In this video, I want to show you how you can open a PayPal account in Nigeria and as a Nigerian. How Nigerians can open a PayPal account. For many Nigerians, PayPal is an important tool for online transactions, freelancing payments, e-commerce, and international businesses. While PayPal services in Nigeria are limited compared to some other countries, it is still possible to open and use a PayPal account legally for sending and receiving money. Here is how. Step number 1, go to the official PayPal website www.paypal.com/ng. This is the Nigerian PayPal portal. Click on Sign Up. Step number 2, choose the right account type. You'll be given two options. Number 1, personal account. This is good for online shopping, paying for services, or receiving smaller payments. Number 2, business account. This is best for freelancers, entrepreneurs, and hustlers who want to receive payments from clients or customers. Most Nigerians who want to earn online prefer a business account because it allows them to receive international payments. Step number 3, fill in your details. Enter your first name, last name, email address, and password. Ensure the email you use is active because this becomes your PayPal login. Enter your business details. If opening a business account, you can use your registered business name or your personal name as sole proprietor. Step number 4, link your Nigerian bank card. PayPal Nigeria allows you to link a Visa or MasterCard debit credit card issued by Nigerian banks. Popular ones that work well include UBA Visa Dollar Card, GT Bank Dollar MasterCard, Access Bank Visa Card, Zenith Bank MasterCard, and sometimes virtual dollar cards, e.g. Cheaper Cash, Payday, or Alert by Wema. This allows you to make payments online. The limitation here is that Nigerian PayPal accounts cannot directly withdraw funds into local bank accounts. Instead, you can only send payments or shop online. Step number 5, confirm your email and card. PayPal will send you a confirmation email. Click the link to verify. For card confirmation, PayPal charges about $1.95 and sends a code in your bank statement. Enter this code on PayPal to verify your card. The $1.95 is refunded once confirmation is completed. Step number 6, start using PayPal. Once your account is verified, you can pay for goods and services internationally, receive payments if you run a business account, then send funds to other PayPal accounts. The limitations of PayPal in Nigeria. While you can open a PayPal account, here are the main restrictions. No direct withdrawal to Nigerian bank accounts. Nigerians cannot directly cash out PayPal funds into Naira accounts. Then card dependency. Transactions must be done through linked debit or credit cards. Then limited services compared to other countries. Now, how do you solve this problem? The workarounds Nigerians use, since direct withdrawal is not available, Nigerians often use third-party services or exchanges that buy PayPal funds, peer-to-peer trading. So they also open PayPal via other African countries like Lesotho or South Africa that allow full withdrawals, though this must be done carefully and legally. Then the Nigerians also convert PayPal to cryptocurrency using trusted exchanges. Opening a PayPal account in Nigeria is possible and legal through paypal.com/ng. However, because of restrictions on withdrawals, many hustlers, freelancers, and entrepreneurs combine PayPal with alternatives like Payoneer, Skrill, or crypto wallets for easier cash outs. If Nigeria negotiates better financial agreements with PayPal in the future, these restrictions may be lifted, giving hustlers full access to global opportunities. This is Dr. Linga's YouTube channel, and on this channel I teach you how to make money online and offline, because I know that it is very, very important for you to make money and to also spend money. If you have found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share the link of this video to your family and friends, and keep coming back to this channel for more content like this. Until I come your way in the next one, have a good one.